got your email about this question here. You're trying to solve this triangle for QR. I guess this is QR here. You want to know how many feet it is. We're given this side, we're given another side, and an angle. So what you want to do is we can use the law of sines 2 times here, and then we also know the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So there's 3 steps to it. You can see we're given this angle and the side opposite of it, and then we know this side, but we can use law of sines to find the angle opposite of it. And so I start out, the sine of r, sine of this angle over that's, I guess sine of 68, sine of 68 over the side opposite, 189.5 equals the sine of r over 128. And then I multiply each side by 128, put that in the calculator, and I get 0.6263, and take the inverse sine of it, and I get about 38.78 for this angle here. And now if we know 2 angles, we can find the third angle. The sum of the angles equal 180 degrees, or if we take the 2 angles we know away from 180, we can find the third one. So we know this angle's 68, we know that angle's 38.78, so we subtract those from 180, that leaves us with 73.22. So now we know this angle. Once we know this angle, we can find the side opposite using the law of sines. So QR over the sine of this angle we equal, this side here, 189.5 over the sine of 68. Then I multiply each side by sine of 73.22, put that in the calculator, it gives us the answer 195.68 feet. Hope that helps.